If I got a dollar for every time I was told to leave my 9 to 5 job and start a business, I would be a millionaire by now. All jokes aside, there seems to be a disconnect between the reality of starting a company and the theoretical idea of starting a company. You know, even in the coding space right now, there's people telling you start a SaaS company and make 10K a month right away. And although it's true that you can make a lot of money and it is the most profitable path to go down as a developer, it is important to understand the reality of starting a business. And this is coming from someone that does business full time right now. What seems to be the big idea, right, is that people think I'm gonna quit my job and I'm gonna start a business and I'm gonna be free. F that boss, give him the middle finger, and go and start my own business and be rich. But in reality, okay, business requires 10 times more work, more effort, a lot of sacrifices, partying, hanging out with friends, and you'll probably not see results for like the first 2 years. And this is often hidden from people who are maybe selling you courses or selling you this idea that you can become rich from a business. And I was one of those people that suffered from this. I was told by some guy on YouTube that you can start a business and be free. And I even bought a $5,000 course as a result of it. And you know, that was a lot of money for me at the time and still is a lot of money. But I was being sold a dream that I would leave my 9 to 5 job and easily start a business in 2 months. And you right now, you know, you probably started a business, maybe you're a YouTuber or you're a coder that wants to start a software company. You know, you are watching this video for a reason. But I'm not trying to discourage you. I'm just saying it's a lot of work. And there is a reason why a lot of people quit. Like, isn't it like 90% of people end up quitting business after like a year? And then like 99% of businesses fail after 5 years or something like that. It's just that business is not for the lighthearted. And that although the rewards are great, they're amazing, it is very difficult. And it's not as simple as quitting your job and then making $10,000 a month. It's a process that requires years and years of sacrifice, effort, time, and a lot of money put into it. Like right now, you're probably seeing a guy that has like 4,000 subscribers on YouTube, and you're like, oh, this guy, okay, he has 4,000 subs or whatever. But many of you don't know that I started YouTube in June of 2023. And do you want to guess when I got my first dollar? February of 2024. It took me 7 months to make a dollar on YouTube. Think about that. I worked for free. I made daily YouTube videos for no money for 7 months. I'm not sharing this to say, oh, Nazar, you're like a great guy or I'm very tough. I'm telling you that's not what I'm trying to do at all. I'm just sharing what it takes to get to a level that you want to go. And I'm just noticing even in like the Discord community that we have on Twitter and on YouTube through videos that people forget that business is a lot of work, takes a lot of effort, and that you're just gonna have to sacrifice a lot of your time into it to start out. And you know, even in my case, you know, not only do I have to manage the YouTube videos and everything like that, I also have to worry about the software business and the company that I'm also running on top of that, which is just a headache in of its own. You know, I have to solve bugs, I have to, you know, deal with customers and stuff like that. And it's just a lot of time and, you know, it's a lot of sacrifice. But you know what, to the couple of you that are continuing watching, like statistically speaking, most of you are already gone. You're probably going to make it because A, you've seen this through, and B, you understand the sacrifices that come with business. Most people will be Gilberts here where, you know, you just want to quit and you want it to be easy. But to be more like Aries, who is this guy that I made up, is a figment of my imagination, you could say. He's the guy that we all want to be like, who is the strong coder that is willing to sacrifice and put in the effort to see his goals come true. So yeah, just understand it's going to be a lot of work. It's not as simple as ABC. And if you understand that and you're willing to put in the work, you'll be fine. But yeah, if you want to join the Discord community where we have a bunch of developers that are starting businesses, have job opportunities, and just an awesome community of people that help each other out with their coding bugs, errors, then I'll leave that in the description below. And also, if you want a web developer roadmap, I'll also leave that down below. Happy coding. I love you. You got this. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.